Try here. I'm doing an MM2 video. If you don't know, at my last video, I said at the title, at the last video, I said, I will do a MM2 video in the next part, so here's the next part, and
akala ko kasi ano mo ba? Madali baka naniwala si Joy ng 2 hours na. Ano, oras na. Giano na ako daan sa cellphone. Pero alam mo na
stop it! I should have shot you in the first place.
Masayang si Andy pag siya ang mag-abs. Malaki ang mawala sa'yo sa isang video.
Nag-wait late pero paano
Paano
gusto yung mga dugo? Sa'yo kay ni Dire niya, ikaw. Naku kay.
kahit siya nag-ano din.
Go away.
Niya na kahit late siya, maka-ano bawi pa din.
Niya home service ko yun. After Monday.
Okay, go. How did Bill not see you?
May isawa sa parcel mo. Bakit ano mo nga? Bakit nakapunta niya sa ano?
Pwede.
Earn at mo ito lang. Dapat tinakot ng tubig.
Oh my
I'm sorry I haven't talked for a while. It's just because it's
Kung hanggat maaari
just
daw.
because it's
Kasi itanong ko, pwede yung kahit
you know,
hanggat maaari.
Mas better man gabi
doesn't want me to make videos because last time I checked my last screen video, it's like there's like a sign that shows
8 to 10 hours.
like the zone at the dot at the bottom and like you know, hey,
Kahit 9:30 ka na mag-start mo.
dot at the bottom and straight line at the top.
Alam ko, matulog ako.
Oh, yellow. It feels like YouTube doesn't want me to make videos anymore. It feels like YouTube just hates.
Kaya ganyan, makakatawa ako. Sabi ko kung kailan nagpa-ultrasound ako yung chan ko parang naglelo sa sakit. Sa Sega lang ko ba natawag siya? Kung pwede ba daw kunin daw yung mga number ng ng therapist. Sabi ko naman, pwede ka naman dito, sir. Sabihin mo yung kanya kasi pag baka ko yung bigay ang kasya ng mga number ng therapist. Personal kasi yung kung sino yung sabi ko, kasi sabi niya, meron kasi
Hey, go away.
sa akin na
Where's the sheriff or the mayor? I haven't seen anyone get just. Where's the sheriff? I have a bad feeling about this guy. Looks up. Let's do a victory dance.
Pero, yun ang aming din sa
That was good.
Ganyan yan. Dapat niya na si
Ano sila?
Sa pag wala si Shai, ganyan din. Ganyan sila.
Dili nila yan yung
Dinner nila.
Basi ko
Bukas na lang tayo sir.
Oo pala sir. Dapat confident ka eh. Pala sir.
A victory dance. A victory dance. Victory dance.
Sir, baka mas may
Victory dance.
kasi meron si ano na
Innocent.
zero. Hello, anong oras na? 5:30. May anong booking na? 6:37.
Isa lang. May nagtawag pero iba yung pinakausap niya. Kita kaya.
Nagkakawag ka.
Yawa lang.
Kung 6:30. Samutan eh. Ay. Strategy.
Bila na lang ang swerte ko.
Ilang bukas sa baka? 4:43. Barley pa eh. Nakapatunaw yung barley. Pero hindi ka man sure kung gusto. Ay pa, after ultrasound eh. Kaysa yung mga pinili.
Pag ano, pala full fish na. Lagi ng
Ah,
some
Gano'n naman ko mag 2 months.
if I was
Kailan ako nagreklamo?
if I was the man, I'd
Nung
kill him
una, na ano
Easy.
pa,
immediately because you know I love being the bird and I think bird is the best because you know
Kuya,
tapos nakatanto ko sa sarili ko, nalulutang-lutang na ako.
it's like you can't kill anybody you want. Meanwhile the sheriff and this man they just do nothing.
Ako feeling ko mamalit.
Here's what I hate about the sheriff. You can't kill the person that you would like to kill. Honestly, you can do literally nothing.
Pala walang planggana yung bato ko.
Innocence. Let's go get some men. I wanted to be Viola. I'm just pretending that I'm shooting the man. Oh my god. What are we doing? Got innocent. Now I'm not gonna hide. I think that's
Gago ka. Mas alala ka kung wala siyang nagatawa siya ng walang cellphone.
Naisip kasi, bro doesn't learn from his mistakes. Iulit niya pa talaga. Tapos nagulat pa rin siya.
okay, guys. This is the end of the video. Bye, love ya, and see ya. Poo!